papakilala ko rin naman ang ating guest na female. Ang ating female naman sa category first runner-up natin, ang ating actually, hindi po siya parang ordinary bodybuilder lang. Siya po ay dati pong Century 2 na Superbad Miss Ageless 2023 at Mrs. Universe Philippine Northwest Asia. Bodycon 8.0 2023 first runner-up female category, walang iba kundi si Ma'am Shirley Garcia. Ma'am Shirley, congratulations din po sa iyo. Magandang gabi.
Good evening, everyone, and thank you po, sir, for having us again on your show. We're very excited and we're very humbled to be here.
I do know hindi po kayo yung pinaka-winner ng Bodycon, but you're still the first runner-up. How happy are you po nung matawag din po kayo as first runner-up nitong Bodycon 8.0?
Actually po, I'm very flattered and humbled to be yung first runner-up kasi sa amin lahat mga finalists, I'm the eldest one. To be their first runner-up, napaka-malaking bagay po sa akin. I feel this is more challenging kasi with younger girls half my age, so yun, you have to really bring on my best game.
Do you think it's an exception for them, no, to pass their daily routine for diets dahil magpapasko naman and January na sila uli babawi? Tama po ba yung mindset na yun?
In December naman, of course, there's nothing wrong with mag-relax ng konti, take a break, your training routine. In my opinion, wag naman totally. Yun, kumbaga, maybe you can cut a few sessions, do a little more cheats. Huwag naman totally tanggalin para pagpasok naman ng January, hindi ka mahirapan. All in moderation, in my opinion, is always the best way to go.